Welcome to Homework Lib.
Hello students, the question says that if dual microbial therapy was going to be used to treat the E. coli culture used in the Kirby-Boyer antimicrobial drug sensitivity simulation, what combinations of drugs could be employed and why do you decide on those combinations? So in order to do that, we must know the results of Kirby-Boyer antimicrobial drug sensitivity simulation for the E. coli culture. So let us assume that the inhibition zones in millimeters for example, drug A is 25 millimeter and for drug B it is 20 millimeter, drug C it is 15 millimeter and drug D it is 10 millimeter. And next we need to determine the which drugs are effective against E. coli cultures. So generally larger inhibition zones indicate that higher effectiveness because they inhibit the growth of, for example, in this case, Escherichia coli for a large area, which means that its effectiveness will be good. And let's assume the following breakup points or breakpoints for each drug. Drug A is greater than equal to 20 millimeter sensitive and drug B is greater than equal to 18 millimeter sensitive and drug C is greater than equal to 15 millimeter sensitive and drug D is greater than equal to 12 millimeter sensitive. So based on these breakpoints, we can determine the effectiveness of each drug as drug A has 25 millimeter sensitive and drug B is 20 millimeter sensitive, drug C is 15 and drug D is 10 millimeter sensitive, or we can say resistant. Now finally we are going to choose two combinations of drugs for dual antimicrobial therapy. So since drug D, which already mentioned it is resistant, so we will exclude this one and we can choose the following combinations. For example, combination first would be drug A and drug B. Combination second would be drug A and drug C, because these combinations were chosen because they include drugs that were sensitive to the E. coli culture, which should result in effective treatment. So the combinations of drugs could be employed for antimicrobial therapy are drug A and drug B first combination and drug A and drug C second combination. I hope you found the video useful. Thank you.